No, there is but.
They're like a circle that they.
Yeah. Yeah, but
No, manco
Oh, hair also.
circle, bats, and
Okay.
spiral, and
Okay.
but.
Okay.
In this case, we have not CNC. We have the function, but there is no the possibility to save the program because it has not sense.
Oh,
I have
okay.
not the table, I have not a reference, and so if I acquire the point for repair at the first mold, probably the second mold has
Still
not
have
the
to-
same path, but I can position perfect. I have no reference. I
Yes.
have not homing sensor and has not sense.
Okay.
In this case, we have a version without this because we have only joystick-based movements, and this is typical for small mold repairing. Or we can have this one that can help you with this function, but typical, the price is higher, and it is typical proposed to the welding because mold repair don't need the CNC program. I can save ISO file, acquire the set in order to, but has not sense. Could be as sense to have this function, circle line, and feeding to compare these two solutions. I don't know. I don't know the price of this.
Okay.
Calma.
Basta, l'ufficio.
Sì, sì. Te tacco, che mia aspirazione. Aspirazione.
No, io che guarda, il tubo di sola, io che ho quello, non prima possibile.
Ah, sì.
Sfighetto. Quanto? Nostra risorsa.
So I think that the presentation was very short. I have also the data sheet of SWA or LMD where I explain the capability of the machine, the parts, the flexibility, the adjustment, the movement, and the software function, something like that. Let me say that probably is more interesting to see directly the process. So I can share the data sheet, the video that I show you, the LMD, but so you can read, and if you have any question you can ask
Yes,
me.
sure.
But it's better to spend the time to see
Okay.
the real case, because in this case we know your request.
Yes.
There is no filter.
Ah, in gara da ricostruirlo praticamente qua
Sì,
si
sì, sì.
spacca.
Sto. Butto che attacchiamo la televisione, no, non è un modo di attaccare qualcosa. Non è un modo di attaccare qualcosa.
La televisione, la gasera, mi pare che sì.
HDMI, aspetta che ho rotto qualcosa. Allora, io la devo rimanere. Aspetta lì che facciamo un po' di show. Sorry?
Yeah.
Tutto metterla sulla qua.
Sì, sì. Dietro manca un cavo.
Il cavo già lo viene.
Diciamo questo un attimo. Ecco il cavo.
Che cavo di serve?
E tu presenti passione?
Esamina dentro.
Cos'è che le scatole?
Ah, la scatola se là.
Dove?
Che uscita che vuoi, scusami?
Cambiami hai.
Ma sei un po' qua, telecamera, scatola.
Ok. E un cavolo, una ciabatta per l'alimentazione. No, no, cos'è questo qua guardate.
Fidati io per ciabatta astica.
Guarda. Tavolino, no?
Il tavolino. Ah, il tavolino stacca pure, sì, sì. Ah, per lo sponsare.
Bisa komputer dulu. Untuk yang
Nanti saya kirim semua videonya, Pak.
Quello è un po' vibrante, ormai.
No, ho visto qualcosa.
Ah, l'ho scoperto.
Che minchia cosa devo fare?
Oh, mikroskopnya nanti di sana, Pak ya.
Sì, di sini ci fa guardare.
Scan-nya di sini.
ya, dia mungkin ada beberapa.
Comunque, se è il solito schermo che, no?
No.
Ah, perché l'unico calcolatore che altro. Tutto che parlavo del solito. Ma questo qua non ha l'uscita per DNA di funzione. Sisma.
I wanna show you, but probably.
So, the screen is display about the live this process.
Yeah, to show you the
Okay.
image. This is a special camera, same supplier of the.
Why this cannot not use the software like this automatic?
Software function.
Yeah. Why don't have?
This machine?
Yeah.
No, his meaning why the laser marking don't have this function. He's asking laser marking actually the video cannot see from the actual video during the running actually.
Yeah.
Cannot see.
Sorry. Secondo me una ventina di minuti posso passare da parte. Ok. Sorry, which function? The screen.
Because the laser marking actually can see the camera can
the
see.
coaxial camera.
Yeah, but the running one actually cannot see.
No. For mold repairing, you need the user is a manual process. There is no story because you need to manage the automatic wire feeder, and this is not possible. Not only from us, but all our competitors can suggest the automatic wire feeder for mold repairing. And so the customer, the operator, has to stay in front of the machine and follow the process using the microscope. If you try to looking for the screen to follow the process, there is no story because you need a 3D concept using stereo microscope.
Yeah.
I don't know why this fucking camera.
I think the cable.
Yeah, but this is the table that's probably is the screen.
And also,
Oh, you are the genius.
yeah.
Fantastic.
Dan yang kedua Pak, kenapa ini bisa circle bisa otomatis nanti kan kita apply dari sini satu titik dua titik nanti dia ini kok nggak bisa?
Bisa.
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 Tapi katanya itu cuma ini aja softwarenya, cuman
Dia ada lebih fungsi lagi. Tapi itu bukan CNC.
So this
Yeah,
is
bukan.
the
Like-
same image that Adamo
Okay.
is look at.
Oke.
Glasses, please. Sorry.
Saya like.
The quality of the image in microscope is a little bit better because your eyes is better of HD resolution.
Oh nice.
Yeah. Devo girare adesso. Ah, ma.
Giro mia mappa
Is a manual
perché non presa mia.
preferimenti.
Also, this one is a
no,
manual
mia.
type.
Podría provare anche a quello.
Sorry?
This one is a manual type. How to make it automatic?
Adesso provo.
Io non l'avevo tipo
No,
così.
he told me that he use a manual because there was material.
Easy to.
No, there is not the perfect corner, but there is material.
Oh.
I don't know, you try to repair probably. Ma usi i tempi lui questo cosa è straduro, se no vede i click dopo.
Ancora non sappiamo come tutto. No,
No, slunga. Ma tipo a diese. Su a 9.
Ne vaso ieri.
Vaso, iazza, a me.
Non posso venire da tutti anche quello.
Te lo copiamo.
Non posso venire da tutti anche.
Fino a più finito voi, quando...
Così.
Cioè...
Esattamente questo.
Wire when long not use this wire probability is I mean broken wire about wire
Yeah.
when we not use for a long time.
Why?
Detect to something wire not good.
For the oxidation.
Yeah.
No, but if you use the wire and the wire stay inside this blister,
Okay,
we have a special silica gel that
Oh,
removes
yeah.
the humidity and so is enough. Non si vede qui.
Okay, so
No, I'm sorry. We just increased the parts duration because I just told to Adamo that the hardness of the wire is high. So I hope that the beginning of the welding was good. Because as I show you in the image, if we have the short time, we have cracking inside, but we need to increase, and we just increase now. So I hope that the previous welding was the good quality. I hope. So now we try the second batch. As you can see, the speed is low because you have 80 watts. If you want to use this one, you can increase 3 times the speed and so the productivity. If you have the ball in your what you have to get.
Ah.
Chiesa cricchetta, giusto? Chiesa cricca o se...
Qua no, qua niente. No, qua è un po' all'inizio, sì, esatto.
Sorry. This was the small cracking because we have a lì. Because we use shorter price duration before. Sorry,
No
so
problem.
probably don't forget this after reworking. But as you can see, using this new parameter, you have a good matching, very stable. Per fatica a posarti.
Madonna.
Perché?
Perché può fare...
Perché? Perché non usi un bordo.
Esatto. Che quando assume il po' qua di altezza.
A good thing is that using laser with a single shot you can arrive at melting points, temperature of the melting points. But the heat input is very low. So if I make a mistake and weld again and again and come back and again and make a second layer, I don't change the hardness. For sure, if you stay 20 seconds in the same point, yes. But you can try and try again. This is a topic because it's not possible using other technology. If you use TIG after the first deposition, you can come back again. Because if you hit again the welding points, hardness is completely unstable and you increase the porosity, the cracking, and so there is no so stable process as the pulse laser. The mold.
Which one material can about base material cannot to welding? Which one kind of material?
It depends because welding or mold repairing.
Okay.
When,
For this, I think for Sisma laser welding with
no,
kind.
we have to spread in. Sorry, we have to split into solution because for welding without wire, so not mold repairing welding, there are a lot of material that is not weldable. In mold repairing, so using wire, all steel is welding. Probably sometimes you need a trick. If you have a lot of carbon inside, you need to heat before the parts.
For example, for aluminium can also.
Aluminium we can weld. We have a 3, 4, 5,
Okay.
but we wire.
Okay. Good.
So aluminium molder.
Okay.
Are you speaking about the aluminium molder?
Yeah.
Yeah. We have the
Aluminium
wire for aluminium. We have wire for copper alloy.
Okay.
For in this case, this is aluminium.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Take. And this is copper beryllium.
I put this one.
Yeah.
This is copper material. Okay, thank you.
And
One more.
this is test, so sometimes it's stable, sometimes no, but sorry. This was test with different material. Was good. Aluminium.
Yeah. Sometimes our customer had jigs, dice.
Yeah.
For material.
Aluminium is
Aluminium.
no problem. We have a special wire for aluminium.
Okay.
This is titanium, but it's not for mold.
Still.
This is I'm looking for. Starbucks. Starbucks.
Yeah, I know Starbucks.
This is commercial name.
Yeah, commercial name. Starbucks. Later, I copy your video and later I copy your video presentation.
Yeah, for sure. And also the data sheet of the machine, both machines.
Yeah.
I send you.
It's more good because I want to presentation to our customer.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. So, steel alloy.